Today we're gonna go over the top 5 reasons you should not use a realtor. Number 1, save money on commission. Probably the top reason that most people do not want to use a realtor is to save the 6% on commission, right? Hear it all the time. How much is your commission? How much is your commission? Are you more concerned about how much my commission is or how much money you're going to net? Right? Isn't that more important about like how much money you're gonna walk away from the closing with, or is it more important how much my commission is? Because we have a lot of expenses that go into our commission. Taxes, insurance, signs, building, rent space, brokerage. I mean, there's a ton that goes into that commission. It's not all put right in my pocket. It's that camera that we're shooting this video with. There is a ton that goes into the actual real estate space that most people don't realize. All right, back to the commission thing. So if you are going to sell by your own because you want to save that money on commission, one of the things I do recommend though is make sure you're paying some commission out to the buyer's agent, right? Why would they bring a buyer to your home if you're not willing to pay them to bring there? Like, you're already guaranteed not to have maximum exposure by not hiring a realtor. You at least need to pay a buyer's agent minimum 2.5–3% for bringing a buyer to your home in order to get it sold. The second reason you should sell your home without a realtor is if you're a control freak. If you want control of the selling process, you want to set an unrealistic price, you want to make sure you don't have any showings because your price is too high, and you want to make sure that like you don't have the house prepped and ready for a potential buyer to actually walk through it. You want to make sure you have your cat shit laying around and stuff all over the house and guarantee that they're going to have a horrible experience when they come to your house, and guarantee they're not going to make an offer on it because 1, you've overpriced it, 2, you haven't got it prepped for sale. That's why you should think about not hiring a realtor.
We do not want to work with you.
If you have all of those traits, do me a favor and don't call me. Go list FSBO. Good luck. I'll send you my FSBO packet. Hopefully you'll get the thing sold. And if you don't, still don't call me because you're still a very unreasonable person on the front end. Only logical people call realtors right off the bat. Illogical people try to sell it on their own and then call me. But that doesn't mean I'm still gonna take your listing, right? It takes 2 to tango. We're in a position now, you know, when I first started in real estate, I had to take every listing because I honestly needed the money. I'm not gonna bullshit you, right? Now, it's more important to me to have peace of mind than it is the money. So now I have the option to choose who I work with. So if you're an asshole, peace. I'm out. The third reason you should not hire a realtor is flexibility in scheduling. You're gonna have all of the buyers and all of their agents calling you directly, interrupting your day while you're trying to have dinner. So therefore it can, stop what you're doing to make sure that your schedule's open, go over, look at your calendar to make sure tomorrow at 3 is gonna work for your schedule. Then you can take off work and lose pay because you got to go home for the showing to make sure you can let the realtor in because you don't want to let the realtor in your house without you being there because you're probably, again, a control freak and you want to take care and like make sure they don't like breathe on your mirror or something like crazy. But like if that's really what you're looking for and you want to control the entire process and have ultimately less flexibility, then don't hire a realtor. The fourth reason you should not use a realtor to sell your home is you don't have that pesky realtor getting in the way. You can have the buyer come in and you guys can verbally negotiate everything on the house. They can tell you how they love your sofa and you can say, oh, I'll throw that in the deal. And then you get the offer and somebody forgot to write the couch in and it creates a very awkward situation with the guy you just met that you want to buy your home and have him raise his kids in the house, but
you all forgot to put the couch in the deal and next thing you know he's keying your car and letting the air out of your tires because he's pissed off, the deal goes to hell.
But, if that's what you want, go ahead and not hire a realtor.
Right.
And the fifth reason you should not hire a realtor to sell your home is you're gonna make my job easier when you do call me and it doesn't sell. Because one, you've probably overpriced it, so when I come in to list your home after it doesn't sell the first time, we're gonna drop the price most likely because buyers have already seen it at a certain price, so we're gonna probably drop the price. I'm probably gonna have either our stager come in or have my handyman come in. We're gonna spruce up the house a little bit to make sure it is like looking the best it possibly can. We're also gonna have our professional videographer come through the house, shoot a video of the property, do a 3D Matterport tour, maybe do a little bit of virtual staging, prep the front yard, have the thing completely ready on production day to launch it out to the MLS, to the thousands of agents that are out there. They're gonna see it and carry it over to their buyer because they never saw the exposure the first time around because you tried to do it on yourself and put it on Zillow for sale by owner, you FSBO. And now you've hired me to come in and actually sell the house. I'll probably sell it in about a week for top dollar. I'm out.